Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss on how to create a program using Rust programming language that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then the program will simply compute the difference of the two given numbers. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Okay, so we have here several comments. We have here use TDIO for input output. And then we have here use stdi32 for 32-bit declaration of our variable. In every Rust program, it is very similar to C, C++. We have here fn main. It's the function that is being executed by our program. Begin, print line, new, the title of our program, subtract two numbers in Rust. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give first value that will be stored in a variable val1 string, and then we have here the command to check whether the given number is a numeric or not. And then we have also here give second value here, the same thing. We have a variable val2 new io stdin for input output. If the value is not integer, it will display a message, error trapping, unable to read enter data. Now in Rust, there is a conversion to string to integer, so we are using this command. Val parsed, okay, expect program only process numbers, enter a number. And then we have here a comment, perform subtraction of two numbers, variables a and b, So we have here the operation, let subtract equals a minus b. And then here output of basic operation, the difference between curly brackets similar to Python, and this one a variable a b, and subtract, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended, new line, and then we close the body of our main, double slash, end of code. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, let us go to our online GDB. Click the run button. Okay, our program is running right now. Subtract two numbers in Rust, give first value. Let's say we have 50. Second number we have 12. The difference 50 and 12 is 38. End of program. Another set of example. Let's say we have 600. First value. Second value we have 300. So the difference between 600 and 300 is 300. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on subtract two numbers in Rust programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.